That's right, it's that time of year again. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Arctic Monkey Garage coming to you with another prediction. Well, you know, ladies and gentlemen, I heard about a fella named, I know, the gopher-looking little dude, Punxsutawney Phil. Well, I gotta reach out to you, America, but most of all, Weather Channel, and you, little Jen. I'm sorry, little Jen. Punxsutawney Phil, all I heard was, he's so wonderful, he's so awesome. Oh wow, second year in a row he predicted. Well, ladies and gentlemen, how'd y'all like your frozen Mother's Day? Hold on a second, I'm hearing from my friend now. And his name is Arctic Monkey. Let's see what he has to say. Oh, wow, he is cold, and he said ain't no way it's early spring. His butt's still frozen. There's no way it's early spring. I'm sorry, Phil, but there's a new monkey in town, and I know the weather. See you later, Phil. You're going down.